If you've ever tried to import metafields into Shopify with Altera or Matrixify, you know the hardest part isn't the import itself, it's figuring out exactly how the column headers and values need to be formatted. If you get something small wrong, the entire row could fail. Today I'm going to show you a free tool inside Altera that generates a ready-to-use metafield template based on your store's actual metafield definitions, pre-filled with example values, so you can see exactly what every column should look like. A little background if you haven't seen Altera before. It's a Matrixify alternative for Shopify that supports more data types and includes tools, like the one we're about to walk through, to make imports less painful. Your Matrixify files work in Altera as is, no changes needed. Let's jump in. The process for creating this template is pretty straightforward. Once you have Altera installed, go over to the Tools section on the left-hand menu and open up Metafield Import Template. From here, we'll click on Generate Template, and the app will go through, download all the metafield definitions from your store, and create a template file for you. Once that file is ready, we can open it up, and we'll notice first off at the bottom we have different tabs for every data type that you have on your store with metafield definitions. We can see, for example, orders has a boolean, and we show how to have the true or false values there. If we look at products, there's a few other things we can highlight here. For some things like dimensions, where Altera supports different formats, we have those listed here. For category metafields, we have sample values included there. And then we have some metafields where it might be a list of possible values, and in those cases we'll pull those and include them here so you know exactly what values to include. We've also included Google Shopping metafields, and then for the product data, if we go all the way over to the end, we should also see our variant metafields, as those are also included here in the product data. And that's it. You have a ready-to-use metafield template with every column your store needs and example values showing you exactly how each data type should be formatted. From here, you can replace the example rows with raw product data, save the file, and import it back through Altera or Matrixify. If this saved you some time, Altera is free to install from the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description. And if you're coming from Matrixify, your existing files work as is, so you can try Altera without reloading any of your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching.